Yes, I do need all these fishing rods, but I'm still in Taiwan, as you can see. These are the dogs, my in-laws, staying with my in-laws. Today we'll be doing some snakehead fishing. Last evening, I should say, we had a pretty good, successful outing. We landed two, so I'll be using this worm for them. I've tried frogs, but looks like they like the warm one. So yeah, let's get started. The rod and reel. And this setup belongs to my father-in-law. And it's probably 40 years old. And an old Taiwan spinning reel. And a Shakespeare 6'6" medium action fiberglass rod. And I'm using a probably 15-pound model. And size 1 hole. Worm hook, and tipped with a bass worm, and I shortened the lure a little bit. Looks like this. Let's see. Okay, looks like they're getting active. When I walked in, I probably spooked them, so they're kind of like in the bite just shut down for a little bit, and then they started getting active again. So let's see. I just had a small blow up, smaller fish blow up on that worm. They're literally just right in those lily pads. Slow down, just bouncing that worm around top of the lily pads. And finally, we had a good day like this, but it was extremely windy, blowing probably 15-20 miles per hour. That was a good test, so we'll see. It's so cool that you can actually see them approaching the lure by just watching a ripple. Oh wow, that was a big jump right there. I don't know if I caught that on the camera or what, but it was a pretty significant jump right over there. Let's see. This pond is actually fed by spring water. Okay, I just saw a fish came up. Yep, taking a breath of air. Got one. Got one. Exactly where. That's a nice one. That's nice. A really nice one. These fish are really, really strong. Should I take it home? These are invasive species here as well. Yep, this is the northern snakehead. Nice fish. Maybe I'll take a picture. Yeah, popular. Nice fish. Yeah, bleeding a little bit. This one is actually made in Korea. This reel is made in Japan. It's fiberglass rod.